Hello fellow collectors, Todd's back. Right, this is the TB League Medusa silver version. This is not actually a review because I did one of the golden version a couple of months ago, but it's going to be a comparison between the two. But let's have a little look at her. I mean, she is stunning. I really do like this one. The colouring on the body and the snake skin is absolutely beautiful, and this is a reason why I've also gone for the silver version as well. You can actually see more detail on this one because there's a lot of dark colours and light colours with the red. Just extraordinary. I mean, just look at the colours on that body, and but you can notice her jewels more on her necklace and in between her bra, that red. The jewels are on the golden version, which I will show you, but they're also green as well as the red of it, so you don't actually notice them. But this is stunning. Now a lot of the stuff that comes, it's exactly the same as the golden version, but just slightly different colour in itself. So right, let's have a better look, shall we? So as you see, a bit of a closer look, bit of a dead eye really. I mean, I'm obviously not thing, but yeah, she looks incredible. And the snakes in the air, and that is her hair, absolutely stunning. Now I was really pleased to get this. Now I've had a word with Christine at Movie Figures, because it seems like the only English based supplier in the UK that actually does TB League figures, and the popularity of these figures have gone through the roof. It's caught TB League by surprise. I do believe now a lot of the suppliers are asking TB League to make another batch. I do apologise, sorry about that, that's me being clumsy. Right, yeah, it's totally took me by surprise. Now, if you, I got the golden version about 2 months ago because it comes directly from Asia. All the Asian ones were supplied, but Movie Figures, I mean, it's funny how I mentioned Movie Figures to get your stuff from, of TB League figures. Within a week of my video coming out, they sold out of these completely. Christine said it was very, very popular, but she kept me informed where it was at any one time. I've just received this on Friday, a couple of days ago, and I'm over the moon about it. Okay, let's bring in the golden version as well. And here they are, side by side. Now, both come with swords, both comes with bows, both come with their stiff, and absolutely stunning. Now, obviously, when Steve at IC Custom told me about these coming out, I had to go for the golden version because I like the look of the face, which is more menacing. But I did watch another video. Someone from Asia did a comparison on the two, and I must admit I fell in love with the silver version as well. And both of them are really nice. And really, the only difference between some of the stuff is that this is the stuff you get with the silver version. It's just got the red marking, whereas that one's got the green marking in. It tends with the silver version things a little bit darker, that's all, because her sword is virtually exactly the same. It's just that she's got a lighter handle, whereas on the golden version it's a darker handle, but it's exactly the same. So yeah, plus on the golden version, the only difference is the arrows are green, whereas on the silver version they're grey. Okay, so that's the only difference there is, besides the colouring and the head sculpt, obviously. So yeah, now you've probably noticed, here are the two bows. This one being the silver version and this one being the golden version, and that's it really. And you're saying, well, hang on, the silver version has got a bow and she's got something that I complained about that you never got. Which is the sheath. Now, the bow and the sheath, they're both made out of metal and they're absolutely stunning. I mean, if you have a little closer look, the handle is actually red as well. It goes so well with the silver version because there's even the red mark down there. Now, where did I get these from? Because these are pure metal. They're absolutely fantastic. The detail on that bow. There's a place on eBay. They're based in China. And if you put in this name here on your eBay and go there, he sells these and they're around about £20. That's it. They even come with their own little stand, and they do come out with arrows as well, metal arrows, but they are ginormous, so I haven't bothered using them. They're absolutely beautiful. Now, obviously, you don't take no notice of eBay because when I bought these, the eBay said, oh, it'd be to you within about 2 or 3 months. Well, it wasn't. It was with me within 2 weeks. And the guy that sold it to me over in China, this name here, he was in touch all the time. I got regular updates on where it was, when it's been shipped out. It was in the country. I was getting emails from the Royal Mail saying it's on its way and everything else. So absolutely lovely guy to speak to, and this is absolutely stunning. It actually elevates the figure now. Now, you might have seen how have I actually put it in the fingers, because the fingers are actually sealed. But if you get a little, I've got a tool that's a sharp tool, and I made a very small hole there, and I could feed that through, and then the rest of it just falls into place. It's absolutely beautiful. But if you want to elevate your figure that little bit more, then that's what you do. Things are not going right for me today, are they? Right, again, actually, this is quite large, and if you want the arrows to actually stand up as much as they are, all I've done is put a little bit of felt at the bottom so it rests on there. Otherwise they come right down to there. But other than that, it looks fantastic. It's really made me happy, because when I first got the parcel come through, I thought this ain't 1/6, but it is. It's 1/6, because you look at the size of the bow. It's virtually, it is the same size. Yep, okay. But remember, these are made of plastic. That's metal, full metal, and so is the sheath. Okay. Right, if you order it though, there is 2 different types. They're virtually the same. One comes with, for the sheath, like a keyring holder. You don't want that. You just press the one with the strap, and that's the one you'll get. But yeah, so check them out, and it really elevates the figure, because this is just pure metal. Now, which one do I like the best? I like both of them. Absolutely stunning. I know Steve at IC Custom is getting the gold one tomorrow. He is doing a diorama for her. and I can't wait to see it, because there's, you know, I just want to get the ideas and maybe do something for it, because I do want sort of like torches and everything, but it's really down to you. Personally, at the moment, even though this is my first one, the one I really wanted, I'm more starting to persuade to liking the silver one more, just purely for those colours on the skin, and it shows more of the on there. So it's up to you which one you like. I mean, both of them. I mean, you know, leave a comment. Have you got one of these on order? Have you got one yet? Are you looking to get one? Because I got a feeling TB League will be doing a second batch, because these are sold out everywhere. They're just one or two now starting to pop up on eBay. Not that bad of a price. It's only a little bit over what they should be, but they're all in China at the moment. So yeah, if you want one, then get one. But they're incredible. Obviously, if you look at my review I did 2 months ago, this one, it shows you how it comes. She's got legs in there, that she doesn't have to have this body, but it shows all that. So yeah, so what's happening? I've got some really happy news for myself. About Thursday, I've not just got one, but I've got 2 grails. One came yesterday, and the other one I won on eBay yesterday. So hopefully I should have it in a few days. So I will be doing a video either on Thursday or Friday coming up, showing you both grails. They're not virtually going to be, one's a Hot Toys and one is a TB League. And believe you me, you TB lovers out there, you want to see this one, because it is so hard to get. It's an older figure, and the only times you'll see it is if they ever do pop up. They go from anywhere from 500 to 700 pound. It is ridiculous, because the figure's not worth anywhere near that. I won it on eBay last night, someone in England, for 200 pound, and I could not believe my luck. I am so happy. I've been after one for ages, and you need one of these figures. If you're getting the gods and pharaohs, you definitely need this figure. But like I said, it's an older figure. So I will be telling you about these grails. They're not so much reviews, but I'll be telling what I have planned as far as displays go. The Hot Toys one, I have a big plan for that. And I also have a big plan for the TB League Gods and Pharaohs as well. So I will be back in touch by the end of the week. I know it's been a while since I did my last video. We all have personal problems, though I don't really mention it on YouTube or Facebook. I just have to deal with it myself, and it got to the point where I didn't actually want to do anything anymore. So, but I'm back. So on with the videos, and I'm really excited about what I've just received and what I'm about to receive. My 2 grails that I've been looking for ages. Anyway, so that's later on in the week. So what do you think of these? I think personally they're stunning. You can see the jewels on her there, just underneath the bra, and it does show up on her necklace, whereas on here they're green with the rest of the costume. Maybe they should have been black, I don't know. But the head sculpts, I like her hair with the snakes, but they do shine up more a little bit on the golden version. I like both, but I am just at this moment in time just swaying towards a little bit on the more silver version, only because of the accessories I got for her as well, which it shouldn't be, but I just love all this colour in here. It's just beautiful. But I mean, these ones are more deeper here, whereas these are a bit light. They could have been done a little bit better, but I just love the colour in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, so like I say, let me know. Have you got any? What you think, or are you still waiting for yours to come through? But if you're on the fence about getting one, hopefully TB League will be doing some more, because these are just sold out everywhere. Okay then, right. I hope to see you later on in the week then with my 2 grails. Thanks very much. Cheers.